Have you ever wanted to join a conversation but felt shy? You have an idea, but you are not sure how to say it politely in English. It is a common struggle. Everyone is talking, and you want to add your thoughts without interrupting or being rude. Today, we will learn the idiom, give your 2 cents. Understanding this phrase will help you share your opinions confidently. Let me tell you a funny story. Meet Tom. Tom thought give your 2 cents meant literally giving money. During a serious meeting, his boss asked for ideas. Tom stood up, walked to the boss, and placed 2 pennies on the table. Everyone was confused. The boss looked at the coins, then at Tom. It was very awkward and funny. Tom misunderstood the idiom. So, what does it actually mean? To give your 2 cents simply means to give your opinion. It is a way of offering your thoughts on a topic. It likely comes from card games where you had to pay a small amount to play. Today, it just means sharing your view, usually in a humble way. Now, let's see the correct usage. Tom is at a coffee shop with friends. They're deciding which movie to watch. Tom says, if I can give my 2 cents, I think the comedy movie is the best choice. He used the phrase perfectly. Here are some examples. First, I didn't ask for your 2 cents. This is used when someone gives an opinion you did not want. Second, that's just my 2 cents. You say this after sharing your opinion to be polite and humble. To remember this, imagine holding 2 small coins. These coins are small, just like one person's humble opinion in a big conversation. Time for fun facts. Some say this phrase comes from the old cost of postage. It costs 2 cents to send a letter with your thoughts. This idiom reflects the value of individual expression in English-speaking cultures. Everyone's small contribution is welcomed. Related sayings include speak your mind, which means to say what you think honestly, or weigh in, meaning to join a discussion. Avoid common mistakes. Do not say, give my 2 monies. Always use the word cents. The idiom is fixed. Pop quiz. What does give your 2 cents mean? A. Pay money. B. Give an opinion. C. Buy candy. Think about it. The correct answer is B. It means to give an opinion. Did you get it right? Great job. To wrap up, remember that giving your 2 cents is a great way to participate in conversations. It shows you want to share. Using idioms like this helps you sound more natural and fluent. Don't be afraid to share your 2 cents next time. Now it is your turn. Share your 2 cents in the comments below. If you enjoyed this, please like, subscribe, or support us with super thanks. See you next time.